Welcome back, Leo. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about times, daily routines, and appointments in English.
Uh, Time. Do you mean math? Because math scares me.
Don't worry, it's an English class, not a math class. Much easier.
Thank goodness.
We'll practice how to tell the time, talk about your routine, schedule appointments, and understand common phrases used at work, school, and in everyday life.
Sounds useful. I always get confused with quarter past, half past, those things.
Perfect. That's exactly what we'll address today. Okay, Leo, repeat after me. It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1:30.
It's 1:30.
It's 1:15.
It's 1:15.
Great. Now the more British-style expressions. 1:15.
Quarter past 1.
1:45.
Quarter to 2.
Excellent. Now try this one. How do you say 1:45?
Quarter to 2.
Yes. See, easy. No math trauma today.
I'm already proud of myself.
Now let's practice AM and PM. Repeat. I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
Perfect. Remember, AM equals morning, PM equals afternoon, plus evening, plus early morning.
Right. So if I say I eat pizza at 2 a.m.,
That means you need help, Leo. Serious help.
fair enough.
Now, let's put together your schedule. Repeat after me. I start work at 9.
I start work at 9.
I finish work at 5.
I finish work at 5.
I take a break at 3:30.
I take a break at 3:30.
I exercise in the evening.
I exercise in the evening.
Great! These sentences are essential for talking about your daily routine. Repeat after me. Early in the morning.
Early in the morning.
Late at night.
Late at night.
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
All day long.
All day long.
Hourly.
Hourly.
Excellent. These expressions help you describe when things happen without using an exact time.
Perfect. Because sometimes I have no idea what time things happen.
Honesty is important. Now, let's practice a short conversation. I'll ask questions and you answer as naturally as possible.
Okay, let's go.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7:30 in the morning.
And what time do you start work?
I start work at 9 in the morning.
What time do you have lunch?
Around 12 or 12:30 in the afternoon.
Great. And when do you finish work?
At 5 in the afternoon.
Excellent. Now the last question. When do you relax?
I don't relax.
Leo.
Okay. I relax around 8 p.m.
Much better. Now let's learn how to talk about planned events. Repeat after me. I have a meeting at 10.
I have a meeting at 10.
I have an appointment at 3.
I have an appointment at 3.
Let's meet at 6.
Let's meet at 6.
Can we reschedule?
Can we reschedule?
Perfect. These are phrases you will use all the time.
I already feel like an important and busy person.
Great. Now you're ready for the next part, where we'll practice scheduling activities, making plans with friends, using prepositions of time, and a longer real-life conversation.
Let's go.
Now we'll work on planning activities, using the correct prepositions, and having more natural conversations. This part is super important. Repeat after me. At 10 o'clock.
At 10 o'clock.
At midnight.
At midnight.
At lunchtime.
At lunchtime.
Great. Now for on. On Monday.
On Monday.
On Friday night.
On Friday night.
On the weekend.
On the weekend.
Perfect. Now in the morning,
In the morning.
in the afternoon,
In the afternoon.
in January,
In January.
in 2025.
In 2025.
Excellent. These prepositions are essential for talking about schedules naturally.
Wow. English prepositions are like a secret code.
And now you can read the code. Now repeat some common phrases for planning. What time works for you?
What time works for you?
Are you free in the morning?
Are you free in the morning?
Let's meet around 4.
Let's meet around 4.
I'm not available at that time.
I'm not available at that time.
Can we meet earlier?
Can we meet earlier?
Can we meet later?
Can we meet later?
Excellent. These are natural and extremely useful.
I feel like I can plan a whole week now.
And you will, because next we're talking about scheduling a full day. Repeat after me. In the morning, I usually work.
In the morning, I usually work.
In the afternoon, I study English.
In the afternoon, I study English.
In the evening, I spend time with my family.
In the evening, I spend time with my family.
At night, I relax and watch TV.
At night, I relax and watch TV.
Great! Now I'll ask questions and you answer using the phrases we learned. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I have breakfast and go to work.
Good. What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I usually study or go to the gym.
Excellent. And what do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I relax and spend time at home.
Great job. Very natural. Now repeat these useful deadline expressions. I need it by 5 p.m.
I need it by 5 p.m.
The deadline is tomorrow.
The deadline is tomorrow.
We have 2 hours.
We have 2 hours.
There's no rush.
There's no rush.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Perfect. These expressions are essential for work, appointments, and planning.
Good, because I am always late.
I know. It's almost part of your personality.
Hey.
Let's practice a realistic conversation. Leo, we need to schedule a meeting. Are you free in the morning?
I'm free at 10 a.m.
Perfect. And how long is the meeting?
Maybe 1 hour.
Great. And can we meet again in the afternoon to review everything?
Sure, around 3 p.m.
That works for me.
Look at me, scheduling meetings like a professional adult.
I'm impressed. Great progress, Leo. In the next part, we'll go even deeper, talking about future plans, using time expressions like in 2 hours and for 3 days, explaining delays and changes of plans, and a longer realistic conversation to put everything together.
So basically, I'll become a time management master.
Exactly.
I like where this is going.
Great, Leo. Now let's move on to free time and changing plans, because real life is full of unexpected moments. Ready?
Totally ready. My schedule is already confused, so I need this.
Perfect. So let's start with a simple question. What do you like to do in your free time?
That one is easy. I like watching football, going to the gym, and sometimes studying English.
Sometimes, huh?
Okay. I study English often. Is that better?
Much better. Now try giving a complete answer with time references. For example, in my free time, I usually go to the gym at night around 8 p.m.
Let me try. In my free time, I usually watch football on weekends around 4 p.m., and I go to the gym at night around 7:30.
Excellent. Now let's talk about changing plans. Imagine someone asks you, can we meet at 5 p.m.? But you can't. You need another time. What do you say?
Maybe, sorry, I can't. Can we meet later?
Perfect. You can also say, can we reschedule? Is 6 p.m. okay for you? I'm running late. Let's meet 15 minutes later. Let's practice. I'll be your friend, and you need to change the time. Hey, Leo, can we study at 3 p.m. today?
Hey, sorry, 3 p.m. doesn't work for me. Can we study at 4 p.m.?
Great. Now I answer. Sure, 4 p.m. works.
Easy.
Now, use a more polite version. Sorry, I won't be able to make it at 3 p.m. Could we move it to 4 p.m.?
Sorry, I won't be able to make it at 3 p.m. Could we move it to 4 p.m.?
Perfect pronunciation. Now let's learn how to confirm schedules, which is extremely useful in English, especially in emails, appointments, trips, and meetings. Here are some common phrases. Just confirming our meeting is at 10 a.m. See you at 7 p.m., right? I'll be there on time. Looking forward to it. Let's practice again. Leo, confirm an English class with me on Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Hi, Anna. Just confirming our English class is on Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Great. Now make it more conversational.
Hey, Anna, just making sure our class is Wednesday at 6 p.m., right?
Perfect, natural, and clear. Now let's practice a longer conversation using everything. Leo, when is the best time for you to practice English this week?
I'm free on Tuesday and Thursday after 7 p.m.
Great. How about Tuesday at 7:30 p.m.?
That works for me. But if something changes, I'll let you know.
Perfect. And how long do you want the lesson to be? 30 minutes, 1 hour?
Let's do 1 hour.
Okay. So Tuesday at 7:30 p.m., 1 hour. I'll send you a reminder.
Thanks, Anna. See you then.
Awesome work, Leo. You now know how to talk about free time, planning, changing plans, confirming schedules, using time expressions naturally. Before we close, I want one more challenge for you. Leo, describe your perfect day using at least 3 time expressions.
Okay, here we go. My perfect day starts at 8 a.m. I have breakfast, then I relax until around 10 a.m. In the afternoon, around 3 p.m., I go to the gym. At night, I watch a movie and go to bed at 11 p.m.
Excellent. Clear, natural, and organized. Great job. And that's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed this conversation and learned something new, make sure to follow our podcast so you can practice English with us every day.
And if you want more episodes like this, don't forget to leave a comment or a rating. It really helps us grow.
Thanks for listening, keep practicing, and remember, every small step makes your English stronger.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.